Xingaonai Heavy Industry located at Gongyi City, Henan Province, which has associated company, focuses on the research and development, design, production and sales of mining machinery. The company has 3 major production plants covering feeding, crushing, grinding, screening, beneficiation, automation, and other equipment required for a complete set of crushing and grinding production lines. The company has advanced intelligent machining equipment and a complete production management system. Defective products do not accept defective products is the production policy. All equipment from casting, machining, assembly are controlled by technical engineers at every level and strive for excellence. Backed by a number of well-known colleges and universities for scientific research, based on the group's ore crushing experimental base, and communicating and cooperating with foreign advanced technologies, combining theory with practice. Xingaonai has continuously developed crushing equipment, sand-making equipment, mineral processing equipment, and supporting equipment. More than 30 influential products have created more value for many enterprises and society. Services include production line solution design, overall operation turnkey project, and general contracting of mine design and operation. It can provide 100 to 6,000 tons of sand and gravel aggregate per hour, metal ore, the equipment and scheme design required for the crushing and milling production line. Xingaonai will always adhere to the cooperation concept of openness, cooperation, and win-win. Stick to the original intention and strive to contribute to the outstanding development of mine crushing equipment.